So today I'll be making Yuzu Miso chicken don. I'll start with 2 pieces of chicken breast, skin on. I'll pat them dry first. I'll trim some of the excess fat off. Now I'll just season it with salt. Now let's put them aside to let it dry a bit. While letting it dry a bit, I'll make the rice. 2 cups of Japanese rice. I'll just wash the rice. I'll give it a few minutes. After I wash the rice, I'm actually going to season it. So, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a tablespoon of sake, cooking sake, and a tablespoon of mirin. And I'm actually going to add shio kombu, like a salted seaweed. Just a pinch. I'm actually going to add 1 more seasoning. A friend taught me this actually, a friend who works as a chef, furikake. It actually makes a difference, a big difference. I had a whole pack of it. Then I add water. It should look like this. I'll just give it a mix. Shake it out. And I'll put it in the rice cooker. So while the rice is cooking, I'll just prep the other ingredients. Other than the chicken, I'm going to be making shimeji mushrooms in a simple teriyaki sauce at the side. I'll be using around 6 cloves of garlic and half an onion. So I'll prepare that first. For the garlic, I'll just simply dice it. For the onion, I'll just slice it into slices. Shimeji mushroom. For the shimeji mushrooms, I'm just going to peel it down the middle, split in two, and remove the end parts. So after prepping the mushrooms, I'm actually going to make a spring onion salad, Yuzu spring onion salad. I'll use 3 stalks of spring onion. Remove the end bits, cut down the middle, and I'll peel the outer layer. It's a bit dirty. It's been washed actually. And I'm gonna finely slice them. The white parts I'll be using for the salad. And for the green parts, I'll be using them as garnish for the end. So for the Yuzu spring onion dressing, it's pretty simple. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a tablespoon of Yuzu pepper paste. Then I'll just give it a mix. Also crack in some black pepper. Should look like this. Now I'm mixing the green onions, spring onions. Should look like this. After mixing all the green onions, once it's like this, I'll just put it in the fridge. Okay, now I'll make the Yuzu Miso paste for the chicken. So just basically a 1:1 ratio of sake and mirin first. Starting with 50 grams of mirin. And 50 grams of sake. I'll reduce it about around half before I add the miso and yuzu paste. Okay, after it's reduced by half, I'm just gonna add around a tablespoon of miso paste. And then I'll mix it in. So the audio file kind of got corrupted in this part, and then I'm doing a voiceover, so I'm adding yuzu paste for the freshness and acidity, a bit of honey for sweetness, and then I'll just mix it in. Now I'm adding in a bit of soy sauce, around a teaspoon, mixing it in. I'll let it reduce until a desired consistency. Should be thick.
and glossy a bit.
Now I'm gonna cook the chicken, so I'll just preheat the pan first. I'm using a stainless steel pan. Alright, once the pan is heated up enough, I'm just gonna add some oil. Then add both my chickens. After 4 minutes, skin should be golden brown. Yeah. I'll flip it. Cook it for another 3 minutes before I finish it off in the oven. After about 3 minutes, I'll just take them out. They cook pretty raw in the middle. Now I'm just gonna glaze the chicken with the Yuzu Miso glaze. Both sides. Now just take a wireless thermometer, stick it into the thickest part, and finish it off in the oven. Preheat the oven.
Then I'll take it out when it's about 69 degrees internal. It'll still continue cooking outside till it's about 73 degrees internal, then I know it'll be done.
While the chicken's finishing off in the oven, I'm gonna cook the shimeji mushrooms.
When the pan is heated up, I'll add around 2 knots of butter. So when the butter's fully melted, I'll add the shimeji mushrooms. Then I'll saute them till they're about golden brown and released most of their moisture. So when they're golden brown, I add around a tablespoon of olive oil, followed by the onions, and saute the onions together with the mushroom till they are halfway cooked. After the onions are halfway cooked, I'll add the garlic and then saute them all together till it's fragrant. When the garlic is cooked through, I'll add 2 tablespoons of onion, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sake. And then I'll let it all cook through and reduce into a sauce together with the mushrooms.
By now the rice should be done. Should look something like this. Nice and seasoned. So I'll take out the chicken when it's about, I'll take it out now, 69 degrees. It should carry on cooking until around 73, then it'll be done.
So while the chicken's resting, I'll portion the rice out into 2 bowls for 2 people.
After it hits above 73 degrees, it should be done. I let it rest a while.
So after slicing the chickens, I'll start plating up, starting with the teriyaki shimeji mushrooms. Followed by the Yuzu spring onion salad. Followed by this soy marinated yolk that I made around 3 days ago. Simple marinade actually, 2:1 ratio of soy sauce to mirin. And sesame seeds, sprinkle a bit on top. And togarashi for a bit of spice. And I'll finish off with spring onions for a pop of color and freshness. So this is the final result, Yuzu Miso chicken don.